Hi guys, I'm Shtuky and it's Shtuky Cookie channel. I want to share with you my perfect way to learn cooking. If you think that you are a bad cooker or you cannot cook some dishes properly, this video will help you to start create amazing dishes from scratch. The first idea is that you have to prepare. A lot of people, they fail in cooking because they do not have research before they start cooking. They just start doing something. They take products, ingredients, they start to do something because they have an imagination and ideas about how this dish should look like, and they start doing this, and then nothing works. And person can feel disappointed and feel like, oh, I'm a bad cooker, I cannot make a bread, I cannot make a nice burger or soup. I'm a bad cooker. No, you just didn't make any research. If I want to cook something, what would I do? I would make a research. I would never take ingredients and go just cooking, because you can lose all your ingredients and your dish might become very bad. Why not use an experience of previous generation of people? Because a lot of people in the world also already tried a lot of recipes and they have already had the results. And why not to spend short period of time just to prepare yourself and to avoid a lot of mistakes. So when I want to cook something or to create any dish, and you also see a lot of dishes on my channel and you will see more, of course, if you subscribe. But previously I make a research. I choose a topic, then I Google it and see what other people do. What was their mistakes? What were the comments of people who tried follow this recipe, and what do they like or not like? Then I research in my personal history, like among my parents or other people I know, and if I know that someone doing something really good, I can ask, how do you do this? What's ingredient? What's the secret? What specifics? Then you can also watch other YouTube videos and read comments and see problems which people already had during this period, during this recipe. Then I make like short post, text post, and I make a plan. So how I will cook something, because a lot of dishes, they're pretty easy, but you have to follow several steps. And if you confuse steps or if you confuse small part of this recipe, dish will not be very tasty. And you have to be like a chemistry, like, I don't know, you have to follow some steps. Of course, you can have creativity, you can add other ingredients, you can be creative while cooking. But it is very important to understand the basic principles, because food, there's also basic principles of cooking. If you just understand how each product works together, how you cook each product, then you can be more creative. But if you do not know the rules, you cannot break the rules because you do not know them. So that's how it works. So short research, it's always help you to create very cool result. Next idea is to have proper tools. A lot of people, when they start cooking, they think that, okay, I have old pan, or maybe I do not have thermometer or something. Oh, I don't need it. My grandmother cooked without any fancy stuff, or Yes, I also thought like that. And at first, when I started cooking, I cooked with just tools that I had, and I didn't buy any additional tools because I thought, why would I do that? But then I realized that if you do not have proper tools, cooking, you might cook some stuff, but it will be not as pleasant as it might be. It will be as not as convenient as it might be. And also, it sometimes become just you just cannot create some stuff if you do not have special tools. For instance, when I start baking bread, at first I read, oh, you can use this one, and I used what I had. And my bread was okay, but I broke my tool because this tool was not expected to use like for baking bread. I broke my previous tool, and also I realized that my bread suffered while I was using my previous tool, and I bought new one, and my bread become much better. So proper tool is convenient, is very important, and do not afraid to spend money for good tools. Good kitchen tools will last for a very long time, and this is very good investment. And the third point, how to become a good cooker, is to be not afraid. A lot of people, when they see difficult recipes and when they feel that, oh, I do not know how to bake cakes or to make soup, or everything looks so difficult, you don't have to be afraid. You have to be more free and open, like-minded, and understand that sometimes the things that you will cook, they will not be tasty. It's okay. And each person who cook, sometimes he fails. And the more times you fail, the better chance that the next time you will win and you will get very good product. So do not be afraid of failure. You are not a failure, you're just learning. And while you're learning, it is normal to get bad soup and bad bread and something which is not even tasty and maybe even not eatable. I had so many times that I cooked a product and then I tried it and was like, what is that? And then I understand, oh, I forgot to add sugar, for instance, or maybe I just do something completely wrong. It's okay. It's a learning curve, and the more you fail, the more you'll get better products in the future. So guys, this is how you can become super good cooker. Subscribe to Shtuky Cookie channel and see you in my next videos. Bye!